In using the data loader, the scenario he's asking about is, let's say that you're inserting 10,000 records through the data loader. And let's say that the first 3,000 insert correctly through the data loader, and after that the records fail. How do you insert the records again so that they don't duplicate? And so the data loader has the functionality of where you can set it up to where the successful inserts are recorded in one spreadsheet and it's recorded somewhere locally on your computer. And then the errors are saved in a separate spreadsheet somewhere locally on your computer. That is a real world thing that you're going to hit. And I used to call this like it's ironing a shirt. And you're trying to upsert or insert thousands or tens or hundreds of thousands of records. You get halfway through and you hit some limit. Salesforce is famous for limits. Or there's some row that's missing or has some weird special character and it blows everything up that follows below that. You don't go back to the same list again, and you just go to the error file and then you try and insert or upsert that. And then if that errors out, you take that error file and you try and eventually you'll get through. And I've actually done this to where I've had to try 7 or 8 times and it just gets like a smaller and smaller list as I go. And I get down to like 1 or 2 problematic records and I just manually enter those.